Over 200,000 people have turned out for the funeral of Pope Francis here in St. Peter's Square in Vatican City. As you can see behind me, the crowds of people goes back for kilometres, and people came out this morning from about 5 a.m, many queuing for 3, 4, 5 hours. There's also a huge security operation here. It's one of the biggest security operations that Italy has ever seen.
We got our militaries employed in the square to control people and to check people with scan and metal detectors, as we are trying to manage the huge flow of people here in the square. And we are also employed with special units as a bomb squad, dogs units, snipers and helicopters. So we are doing a big effort, but we are able to manage it.
Many world leaders are here, including US President Donald Trump, the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Representing Ireland, the President Michael D. Higgins is here, the Taoiseach Micheál Martin is here, and the Taoiseach Simon Harris is also here.
I think Pope Francis was a catalyst for quite a lot of that rejuvenation. He opened up opportunities for those who were marginalised in the past to come in from the cold, and I think also created the idea of a ground-up church, and that perhaps is attracting people back. But he was very popular in Ireland, and there was a genuine feeling of goodwill across the country in respect of his papacy and what he endeavoured to do, but also about how he lived his life, that his actions and by his example, he lived the gospel, and that's how people saw it.
The funeral for Pope Francis is now concluding here in St. Peter's Square. There will now be a funeral procession through the streets of Rome, which tens of thousands of people are expected to turn out for. He's going to be buried in the Basilica of St. Mary Major. This is a basilica where he went to pray regularly. Members of the homeless community, refugees and migrants will all put white roses on the coffin of Pope Francis. Then he'll be laid to rest. Next, it's on to the conclave.